Jennifer Lopez will receive the CFDA 2019 Fashion Show Icon Award. The singer-turned-actress is known for her daring haute couture red carpet looks, and to celebrate the star's legendary wardrobe, the Council of Fashion Designers of America Board of Directors have decided to present her with the prestigious accolade in recognition of her long-standing and global impact on fashion at this year's ceremony. In a statement, CFDA Chairwoman Diane von Furstenberg said, "Jennifer Lopez uses clothes as a way to express confidence and power. Both designers and fans look forward to her fashion statements." The 49-year-old will follow in the footsteps of 2018 CFDA winner Naomi Campbell, Beyoncé, Rihanna, Eamon, and Kate Moss, who have also won the prestigious prize for her on and off camera memorable style. President and CEO of the CFDA, Stephen Kolb, added, "Jennifer Lopez's style is bold, uninhibited, and always memorable. Designers, including many of our CFDA members, love to dress her for both stage and private moments." The ceremony will take place on June 3rd, 2019 at the Brooklyn Museum in New York. Congratulations, Jennifer. You deserve it. If you like and subscribe to our videos, there's a chance your favorite celebrity will follow you on Twitter. We can't prove that, but we're saying there's a chance.